Hello family and welcome to another Domingueros vlog. Today we are going to be doing a vlog that many of you have requested after having made the video of a day with a multi-millionaire with Doctor Konrad, which reached no more and no less than 5 million views in just 1 month. Therefore today we are going to do part number 2, which is going to be with a Spaniard, who is an ex-poker player, and you will see that he has a completely different profile. He came here to Dubai about 5 years ago, started from zero, and today he has an empire. So without further ado, I won't go on any longer and I'm going to introduce him. Alex, I'm coming for you. How are you doing? Ready for an action-filled day? Well, this is Mr. Alex, entrepreneur, ex-poker player, etc. So today we're going to be documenting a day in the life of a billionaire. We'll be looking at his businesses, what he likes to do in terms of leisure, investments, etc. And you're going to meet him personally. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. Besides, I see that you are very well equipped. We have several treasures here. And I have been told that you have something quite special here in the Porsche, right?
Well, it could be on the other one. Let's play a little game. You have to guess which car it's in. If you can't guess which car it's in, the Domingueros will be left without a gift. So it all depends on you.
Well, I think it has to be in the Porsche, right?
Let's see.
Let's see if we're in luck. Let's see what the box has in store for us. This already seems like a television show. Well, Domingueros, you're lucky. Alex has decided that if you support this video, he will give away none other than this iPhone, the XS with 64 GB. So all you have to do is follow him on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. You have 1 week to win it. You have to comment, blow up the comment section of our latest photos. The more comments and the more you share, obviously the more chances you'll have. And in a week, we will be announcing the winner on our Instagrams. So you have to follow us, and now...
Don't forget to tag 3 friends in the comments who would also love to win this iPhone.
Exactly. The more you participate, the more chances you'll have. Alright, so what's going to be the first meeting?
I believe that the first thing we have to do is go to the stock market to earn some money, and also show you that you can earn these cars with effort and a lot of hard work.
Perfect. So let's see what trading is about. Let's see what stock market investment is about and which car we are going to take for such action.
Well, I think we should take the Hurricane first. It is what generates the most noise.
Perfect. Since we're going to make a lot of money, let's also make a lot of noise, right? That's certainly what I call arriving in style. Stock market, here we come.
Let's go.
It's time to make millionaires' deals. Another source of income for Alex is investment, stock trading. So I'm going to let him explain a bit about how the market works, what kind of opportunities he takes advantage of, and how he makes his money.
So here we are in the Dubai market. As you can see, we have all the screens showing the stock prices. They show the price that is trading right now. They show you the lows, the highs, the volume. And the interesting thing is always to buy something that's very low in price and then sell it for more. It can be intraday trading, which is when you buy and sell on the same day. When you go to sleep at home, you no longer have no stocks. And then the other is trading on midterm, which is buying a stock to hold it for days, weeks, or even months or years. So it depends on what kind of trader you are.
In fact, there are many platforms on the internet that offer a kind of demo that allows you to trade for free with virtual money. So before you start trading, we recommend that you use these types of platforms to learn a bit before investing your own money.
Look, this is the exchange I made a couple of weeks ago where I went low on oil because I thought it was going to drop. It broke a major support and it was just when it plummeted from $80. Now it's trading around $50. So it was a quick operation with a profit of 20%. We got in when we got the signal that the support broke, and then once it reached the next support, I closed the whole position. We take the profit and really very happy. I prefer to perform operations that have a higher percentage of success, even though they take more time. So this was 2 weeks.
So he just goes for what he knows will grow, even if it's in the long term. But to what's certain? Within their own knowledge, obviously, in these kinds of markets, nothing is certain, and therefore, the greater the risk, the greater the reward. But of course, scoring a 20% in 2 weeks is not bad at all. Congratulations. The key to making money in trading is to be very informed about the market, about the trends. For instance, as he mentioned earlier, you always have to make sure that something is on a downtrend and that you know and trust that it will rise in the short or long term. The important thing is to buy cheap and sell expensive. So of course it is a very interesting market. Let us know in the comments if you would like to know more in detail. So let's continue and go to the next meeting.
Let's go.
The next meeting will be about investments in luxury cars. Well, we're in a hurry, huh?
Well, there's a lot of traffic. I don't know if we'll make it in time. In this case we can only do one thing. Go by helicopter. What do you think?
Come on, let's do this.
Well, let's go.
Well, I think we're in front of an iconic car that is perfect for this occasion, and it is for you to explain the kind of investments you make in cars, and also to explain us a little bit.
Well, this car, for example, is a very good investment for the long term, because Porsche only moderate 1270 units. Many have already crashed, like for example Paul, the guy from the Fast and Furious movie, who died in one of them. So it's becoming more limited each time. It's a manual car. It's the best car Porsche has ever made. So this in 10 to 20 years will be a car that will increase in value.
Therefore, this is a perfect example of a car that over the years is going to increase in value, as there will be fewer units on the market. And it is certainly a gem. And having a car which you can enjoy and at the same time increases in value in the market is definitely a perfect hobby. In fact, Alex today has no more and no less than 4 cars in his collection. And he already has plans to expand it in the future. I really want to look at it personally. And we will probably show it to you in future vlogs, so stay tuned. At the next meeting, we will see a clear example of how to invest in the real estate sector of property. Wow, what a view! We are in one of the most emblematic, pioneering, and exclusive locations in all of Dubai. We are none other than on the famous artificial palm of Dubai. As you can see here, we have the iconic views of Dubai Marina. We have iconic views of what will be the new Ferris wheel, which is the largest Ferris wheel in the world. We also have views of the 7-star hotel, the most luxurious in the world, Burj Al Arab, and the tallest building in the world, which is Burj Khalifa. So, the question now is, why did you decide to invest in that land? And how do you intend to make it profitable, and what is your business model?
What I liked about the Palm Islands is that it's a unique place that you only have here. You don't have it anywhere else in the world. Tell me where you can be your own private beach watching all these views of the buildings. Moreover, it's very quiet here, all day long. And then the best of all is that now in Dubai, the price of construction, land, houses, everything has dropped a lot, even by 50% in recent years. So it's a very good time now to buy cheap, to get the builders to do the work more cheaply.
To take advantage of the market situation, as previously mentioned. We are currently at a point where real estate, the property sector, is cheaper than a few years ago. Therefore, Dubai has prospects of increasing its value. So, right now is an ideal time to buy, and he is going to do his own construction, saving the cost of third parties. And that is going to greatly reduce the cost of the entire construction. And if in the future he wants to resell it, he will make sure to invest in some materials, that they be completely differentiated from all the other houses. In order to add value and sell it at a higher price, not just for the materials, not just for the house, but also because we have expectations that this land will increase in value in a few years. So, of course, I wish you much more luck. I'm already eager for you to start the construction. And I'm eager to inaugurate it, and of course you have here some spectacular views, a private beach, and of course some neighbors as well who are going to be quite up to par, so the level of networking is going to be spectacular.
Also, what I want to do here, I want to make the best house, the best mansion in the whole Palm, except obviously for the palaces of the sheiks that hold lands of 6 square meters and incredible villas. But, discounting all those houses, this will be the best house, or at least that's the intention. If everything goes well, then it's going to be unique, exclusive. And that's the idea of what they sell here in Dubai.
Exactly. You have to differentiate yourself from the rest. And when you have something that is exclusive, they quickly come to buy from you. Because many people buy copy-paste, just copy and paste. Therefore, the thing is to do something different from the rest, as we always say. And therefore, you will differentiate yourself from the market. And that will increase your market value.
All of the best will be seen from the attic, to have good parties there. Maybe we'll bring some Dominguero around here.
Exactly, if you show some love to this video, maybe we'll bring a Dominguero to spend a week with us. So, at the last meeting, we're going to do some networking and get serious about achieving financial freedom. Enough of business. It's also important to strike a good balance between personal life and professional life. So what better way than to take a spin on a yacht around Dubai Marina and be able to see all the skyscrapers and thus disconnect? In fact, this is something we like to do at least once a week, because it obviously disconnects us from the business level as well, and we can also exchange ideas and in general, talk about our personal lives. So let's have a good time. Are you ready, Captain?
Ready, let's go ahead, to have a good time.
We are in one of the most exclusive marinas in the world. Dubai Marina is very well known for its yachts. Many of the ships here are owned by the royal family to give you an idea of the level there is. What was one of the reasons why you decided to have a boat here in Dubai?
Well, the main reason is because the weather here is very good every day. The climate is amazing except in summer. And it's a very good way to network, to invite friends, have a good time, and get away from city life.
It's certainly a perfect way to entertain your guests, your clients, and close a successful million-dollar deal. And well, since we are on this occasion, what better than to toast to your achievements and your successes? And well, for those people who are watching us who are starting to be entrepreneurs, who are young, who are studying, or simply going through a rough patch in their life, what would you recommend for them to be successful and to thrive in the business world?
The best advice and most important thing is that the younger you start saving, the better it is. I know it's very nice to spend money and enjoy it, but it's much better to first save it for yourself. Keep saving it, then you invest it in starting your own business. Or perhaps do trading, dedicated to investing in the stock market. Or for any other activity, but always to make it grow. If you spend it at the beginning before making it grow, you will never have a large amount of money.
Exactly. That is, obviously everyone starts from scratch. Don't think that overnight you're going to grow, you're going to be billionaires. And obviously to make money you have to invest. And little by little, what you invest, do not spend it, reinvest it, reinvest it. And that's how you keep growing. And obviously, don't risk all your money either. Always keep your feet on the ground. And don't get carried away by spontaneous success, but instead look at the long term.
Yes, it's best to have a plan for 5 or 10 years down the line. Because we always set the plan for what we're going to achieve this year. And we always end up asking for too much, but then for 5 or 10 years we fall short. We need to be more demanding.
So now you know. I hope that these tips and Alex's experience can serve as a lesson, and that you can apply it in your lives, because I am sure that with hard work everything is possible. I remind you of a question. Do you think success is luck, or that anyone can succeed?
I believe that success is not luck, that one creates their own success. It's what you work on every day. Perseverance, the ideas you have, and not giving up. Because it may be that for years nothing works out, people are very negative, they tell you you'll never achieve it, it's impossible. And coincidentally, the people who have become the richest always made it when they were 40 years old, 50 years old. That is, there should be no limit for you to achieve success. But you have to work every day. Be consistent. Have a long-term idea, at least 5 or 10 years. And keep working. And constantly evolving and work on it.
Exactly. Success doesn't come spontaneously. It can arrive at any moment. Therefore, you have to be prepared. You have to keep working hard. Obviously, you have to step out of your comfort zone. If you're at home, well, you're not going to be in the right place or at the right time. You have to be moving. And you will increase the chances of getting to that place in that moment. So, obviously, keep working hard and do not give up. So, cheers.
Many success, Domingo Rose.
I hope all these tips and this example serve as inspiration for you. You loved Dr. Konrad's video of a day with a billionaire. In just 1 month, it reached 5 million views. So I hope you also give this video love. Give it support. So if this video gets no less than 20,000 likes, we will make a part number 2 with Alex, showing us more in detail about his day-to-day and giving us more tips and answering your questions and doubts you may have in the comments. Also, a reminder that if you follow us on Instagram, you have 1 week to write to us. Anything you want to comment, the more comments you have, the more chances you have to win an iPhone for this Christmas. So, you have 1 week from when we publish this video. Go follow us right now and show us some love. And if you like the idea, we will be doing more giveaways and many more activities that I'm sure you will love. So without further ado, a pleasure to have you here with us.
Likewise, delighted. Smash that like button, don't hold back. He's the best Spanish-speaking YouTuber here in Dubai.
And subscribe if you're not already subscribed to the channel. And without further ado, see you in the next vlog in just 2 days. See you later, family.